Let's make some crispy sesame chicken with a sticky delicious sauce that has a lot of flavor. To your chicken thigh pieces, add 1 tablespoon of minced garlic, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce with some salt and black pepper. Then add an egg with some cornstarch and give it a good mix. You will need to marinate your chicken for at least 20 minutes before the next step. In a separate bowl, add some potato starch and evenly coat your chicken before frying it. When you're frying the chicken, make sure to use an even temperature. This is optional but highly recommended. You can double fry your chicken so it's extra crispy. And now it's time to make the sauce. To a bowl, add some chicken stock. Then go in with 6 tablespoons of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 3 tablespoons of ketchup, 2 tablespoons of sesame oil, and lastly, 2 tablespoons of white vinegar. For the next step, heat up a pan to medium heat. Then as usual, go in with some Pebbles chili oil for extra aroma and flavor. Fry up the white part of spring onions for a few seconds and then go in with your sauce mix. Once your sauce comes to a boil, add your cornstarch slurry. Gently mix it until you see this beautiful, sticky, glossy sauce. Then season your sauce with some salt and add all of your fried chicken. Once your fried chicken is evenly coated with the sauce, you can go ahead and add some roasted sesame seeds. We enjoyed this crispy sesame chicken for dinner with some hot rice and it was amazing.